Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Lido staking permissions through MetaMask, full guide step by step clearly.
Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Lido Finance website.
Once on the Lido homepage, locate the stake option and click on it. This will direct you to the section where you can begin staking your assets.
Next, ensure that your MetaMask wallet is installed and set up. If you haven't already, log in to your MetaMask wallet.
After logging in, connect your MetaMask wallet to the Lido platform. Look for the Connect Wallet button on the Lido site and click on it. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallet options.
After a brief loading period, a pop-up will appear in your MetaMask asking for permission to connect. Review the permissions requested and click Next. Then, click Connect to complete the wallet connection.
Now, you should see your MetaMask wallet address displayed on the Lido platform.
Scroll down to the Staking Options section and choose the asset you wish to stake. Enter the amount you want to stake in the provided field. Before proceeding, review the estimated rewards and transaction fees.
When you're ready, click on the Approve button to initiate the staking process.
A MetaMask transaction window will pop up. Review the transaction details carefully and click Confirm to authorize the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain.
Once processed, you will see a confirmation message on the Lido platform. You can now monitor your staking status and rewards directly on Lido. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized Lido staking permissions through MetaMask. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.